Good evening. So it's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but this is System E. So this is integrated into our actual system we use. So I know there's Bitly and things like that, but that's just one part of tracking links. So here is our system, rather, my online startup system. There's been one or two previous years, but I'll show you what that's about. So if we just pause it a minute and go over to my Facebook business page. So here it is, here's the cover and posts and things like that. So that's the Instagram one, so just click on that. If it redirects correctly. Oh, so it's just taken me to the actual Instagram page, and then here's the link, which is linked to System EIO. So here it is. Here's the page, which is built inside System. I don't know if it's called System or System IO, but anyway, so someone puts in their email like so. So when they do, that gets added to the list. So there's someone's created an account. So this is where we get to this page. So if we go to stats, I probably should have done this before I access it. So I've got one for Facebook profile. So perhaps if we go to the one that's linked to the Facebook page, that's Instagram, and so here we've got 148 visitors, and we'll do this again. So after opting in, which we've done here, if we go back to System E, you see there's another visitor, or there's another clicker opt-in, 149, and the 16 is the actual opt-in, so it's about 11% that go into my Facebook business profile. That's how many opt-ins you're getting, so that's quite good. We inside our course, inside our business or program, if you want to call it, is teaching on Facebook marketing. Somebody's just emailed me recently, don't do it, so they're missing out really, because there's a lot of traffic to be had via that. So we track that to see how it's going, and then you've got AI Swale, so that's a vendor that I know, and it's a solo ads vendor. And then you've got Herculist, which is a mailing list service. And then there's NeoBucks, get a lot of clicks cheap with them as well. And then just, you can track whatever you want to track, because that's the point of it. Just cache mailers. There's different traffic methods that I've got, and this is the stats section of it. So this is how you would create, if you're tracking, just say Quora or something. So you would go to Facebook profile, because it's got the funnel set up, and you would go to duplicate and just confirm like so, and then you would take that out, and you would say you've got oh, that's right, I've got not Muller keyboard set up for that. Let's see, use keypad, because some of the keys are stuck waiting on a new laptop. But so Quora profile, and then you wouldn't call it Facebook with numbers, and nobody would do that. And then you would just put, this keypad again, with Quora, and to save it, you would do that. Um, and then this is really important, the step automation rules. I've got a follow-up email list. This is so it activates it correct. So you would click funnel step, form, subscribe, and that's the funnel that they're getting into, and that's the link. And after that, you would, as well, since I've done this, subscribe to campaign, and then you would add the tag here, and then you would go to the leads and you would save the rule, and that's that set up, and you can see the stats. So the reason why we're doing it in this way, we have an email follow-up series, so we'll go into that now, and this is the campaigns. We've got 372 emails pre-written. It was actually about a year ago. We'll wait that loaded up. It's a wee bit slow system, so I'll come back in a few moments. So it shouldn't be too much longer now. The contacts is wrong. It's just, I don't even know why it says that. So this is kind of funnel. This is the emails that are sent, and then that's the first one they get, and then there's no one sent out. There's no email sent out second day, and that's the third one. So this is pre-written, so that's why we set up the autoresponder with the tag, so they get that each day. So it is a wee bit slow accessing it. We'll just load that one up. Be back in a few minutes. So here's the first email. Thanks for joining mailing list. And then to whitelist at my email address, and that's the very first email that we get, that you get via us. So that's how System E works for our business. It can be used for building your own funnel, but we have it all already done for you. So that's how ours works. And if you want to see it in action, then click the link in description, and we'll see you there.